Step 1. Fit the bracket at the front of the machine. First, fit the two support plates. Please ensure that all screws are tightened securely. Then fit the cover plate. Using a magnetic screwdriver will make it easier to screw in the screws. Place the Type B polyester film onto the frame. Step 2. Fit the support bracket at the rear of the machine. Please note the orientation of the fittings here. Tighten the screws in the same way. Now fit the other support plate. Now connect the motor's power cable to the printer. Please note these two small holes. Now connect this stainless steel pipe. Plug in the power cable and switch on the machine. Gently place film A onto the rear bracket. Step 3. Join polyester films A and B together. Thread the polyester film type A through from below. Please note that the film passes beneath the two pipes. Continue pushing the polyester film forwards. Go to the front of the machine and open the transparent cover. Pull the polyester film out from beneath the stainless steel tube shown in the video. Keep the polyester film within the red range. Thread the Type B polyester film through the hole at the bottom. Press the Type B polyester film firmly against the heated roller. Press and hold head. Be sure to move your fingers away to avoid being crushed. Polyester film type A consists of 2 layers of film. We will now separate these 2 layers. Pull the Type A polyester film forwards. Ensure that the 2 polyester films are aligned and bonded together evenly. Thread the waste polyester film through the gap between the 2 tubes. Pull the waste polyester film out from the rear of the machine and attach it to the topmost roller on the rear support frame. Press and hold head. Check whether the 2 polyester films are bonded together evenly and smoothly.